Hi, welcome to feralart, or welcome back to feralart. How you doing? Anyway, today we have a 20 by 20 level 3 gallery wrapped canvas from Artist Loft. And I have painted my sides and edges Amsterdam lamp black, pinned, taped, la. I have so many leftovers, you guys, it is ridiculous. I have just so many, and I've got to get rid of some of them. So today we are going to do the galaxy pour. I love doing galaxy pours, they're so fun. So let me get you down on the canvas and we'll get busy. How about it? Okay, so first let's get our cup layered. For a 20 by 20 canvas, I need just a hair over 14 ounces of paint. So
you better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby.
here's a cup. That was brulee that I poured right down the middle of it. I love brulee. Now, we're going to pour into a puddle of white, which I usually don't do, but I would really like to get rid of this white. So, that's what we're going to do. A puddle of white. Now, I was not the best of girls. I did not make sure that all my consistencies are the same. The Tiger Lily looked a little thick, but I think it should be okay. We'll see. All right, puddle. Our sort of layered, sort of dirty cuppy cup. Da-da-da-da. And away we go.
I live it. That's my tune. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up. Yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up. We got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. Turn it up.
Oh man, what a mess I made, huh? I missed with my finger. So, we'll just do as best we can with it here.
On a higher level. Turn
flow extender, I have some drips.
We got this. I'm getting tired of your bullshit. I'm tired of your voice. I'm getting tired of the way you leave me hanging with no choice. If you would ask me long ago, back when you seduced me, yeah, I felt like a domino, but I knew you were liability. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb. It's almost funny. Got the lips of an angel, got the eyes of a beast, got the hands of a helper. Got me weak to my knees. If you would ask me long ago, already knew you were poison. Yet I felt like a domino when you showed up here. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb. It's almost funny. The way he believes in his own lies, or the way he believes that my doubts won't rise. Oh, shut up, shut up, such a dummy. It's almost funny. Although I cry myself to sleep, although I think you're all I need, I have to get a grip of this. I have to let this feeling slip. Oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb dummy. It's almost funny. Oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb dummy. It's almost funny. Although I cry myself to sleep, although I know you're bad for me, I have to lay my hands on this bag you have.
Okay, here are the wet results of my largely leftovers pour. The only thing that wasn't leftover was the brulee. So anyway, let's get down here. I love this. I love these orange cells in this weird sort of murky blue, black, indigo background. And that's brulee. Look at these. I think these colors turned out really well for a bunch of leftovers that have no right to play well together. Right? Right. So, I have fingerlings, but they're a little odd because a lot of this that you see is where I accidentally dribbled in my own painting and had to go through it with a skewer. So a lot of my fingerlings are a little weird. That's okay. I really like this one. I think this looks like a friggin' jellyfish. So we're probably going to call this the Jellyfish Nebula because, I mean, why not? It also looks like he's sort of in the water a little, sort of, kind of. But these big old cells right here, that's the brulee acting out. I love brulee. I think it's so pretty. I'm sorry about the glare, you guys, but, you know, I just have bad lighting issues. Anyway, so there we go. The wet results of Jellyfish Nebula. See some shimmer. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Look at that. So pretty. Have to be really careful because you got to be really close to get these. Look at that little rainbowy spot right there. That's cool. There's a lot of really cool spots in this. Sorry if I'm making you seasick. I'm making me kind of seasick too. But anyway, I'm not going to make you look at the whole thing, but look at that. Look at that. I just find this one to be very compelling. I love this jellyfish. He turned out so interestingly. So anyway, yeah, we got shimmer. We got a plenty. Look at that. Looky there. There's our brulee acting crazy like I wanted it to. All kinds of little cells and things in here. Look at these multicolor craziness right here. Anyway, I'm not going to make you look at the whole thing, but it's kind of dark in here. So there you go. Phosphorescent jellyfish. Ha! Here are the dry results of my jellyfish galaxy. I think this is just so much fun. And I really love the way that these colors play together. This is just fire right here. And that blue and the red. And I don't know, y'all. When this thing come out looking like a jellyfish, I was tickled to death. And I love that orange in there. I just really, you know, sometimes I think the weirder they are, the better I like them. Look at those cells. Look at those cells. Those are nuts, man. I just really, and this is the interplay of the brulee. That stuff is magic. Swear it is. But this thing, it's funny because, you know, it is so very gray and disgusting out here. That's weird. Look at that. It's not a crack. That's just odd. Anyway, there's a lot of odd stuff going on up there. Anyway, it is so gray out here that you cannot see the shimmer. And this blue, look at it. Woohoo! Look at that. It's crazy. You know what that is that sapphire and blue eyes. That's exactly what that is. That's your TLP's working for you right there. So, anyway, there is my jellyfish galaxy. I think it's really cool. I was talking to a friend last night. She goes, I don't know, Cal. Looks like an alien. And I was like, alien? And then I was talking to another friend who said, if you turn it upside down, it looks like the rib cage from Alien. I was like, oh, yeah, yuck. Let's not ever turn it that way. But I had to show you because I thought it was funny. So, anyway, Jellyfish Galaxy. Leftovers. Yeah, it's all about the leftovers, y'all. Always. All right, so, before you go, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And, you know, hit the thumbs up if you haven't. Give me a little comment about what you think of this piece. Looks a little like a brain up there. Anyway, oh, do let me know what you think. Ring that bell so when I make new content, you'll know about it. Hopefully, YouTube sometimes sends out notifications, so I'm told. And anyway, thank you so much for coming to watch. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.